on in, join me as I view this spectacular 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome in the Magnolia Pointe subdivision. This looks like a definite model home. Everything is in its place. Here, everything is treated with kid's gloves, well maintained, beautiful hardwood flooring, updated light fixtures, updated fans, great spaces. But the thing that I also love about this townhome is where it's located. It's located in a subdivision which has a 24-hour guard on duty. So you're not coming through, or people aren't coming through just an electronic gate. They're getting announced, so you know who's coming. Great thing about this location also, it's approximately a mile away from the Florida Turnpike and within great commute distance to Orlando from that exit. So you can get on there, and also it's near Highway 50. So you have direct access into Clermont proper, or going through Winter Garden, Ocoee, and into Orlando. Great location, great space. Once again, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, well maintained. So guys, if you need some more information about this home and where it's located, please give me a call. I look forward to talking with you. This is Neville Smith.